One of the best parts of being a full-time traveler is learning how to become self-sufficient anywhere in the world.
And we found a method for doing laundry that's as mobile as we are. And today we're going to show you our favorite hack for staying fresh on the road. As no-fly zone nomads, our unique adventure has taught us many lessons, big and small.
In this video series, we will be sharing the tech, tactics, and efficiencies that we've learned along the way and from fellow travelers that we've met along our journey.
From digital shortcuts to daily wins, this is Travel Smarts.
When we tell people that we do laundry using a dry bag and a towel, they often are confused and ask us to explain. So we thought we would create a short video to show how we do laundry on the road as full-time travelers. We have found this method particularly handy on cruise ships and in hotel rooms. We carry a dry bag with us, which can be used as both the bag for your dirty clothes and your mobile washing machine. We also carry laundry detergent sheets and fabric softener sheets, as both can be torn to be the size you need for each load. We usually do this either in a bathtub or a shower, first by adding water, then dissolving the detergent. We usually use laundry and fabric softener sheets, but we have also used dish soap as it is good for both removing stains and oils. A shower head creates lots of suds, and our dry bag has a clear panel on the side so you can see what is happening. Next, add in your clothes. As you can see, for this load, we are only washing 3 t-shirts. This method is best for smaller loads of laundry. Once you have added the amount of water you need to cover what you are washing, you squeeze out some of the air from the bag and roll down the sides to seal everything in and clip it shut. This makes it watertight. Now we're going to start with the agitation. Do this for a few minutes or for as long as suits you. Once done, unclip and unroll the top of the bag, but keep all the clothes inside. Then drain out the soapy water. One way to do this is by rolling up the bottom of the bag. For rinsing, simply fill the bag again with enough water to cover everything inside the bag. Follow the exact same process of rolling down and then clipping the bag and agitating the clothes again to rinse out all of the soap and any residue. Of course, you could also do this under running water if you prefer. Now that the clothes are clean, it's time to wring the water out. First, wring them out by hand, removing as much water as you can. The best way we have found to remove excess water is to lay the items out on a towel. We often borrow a pool towel as they are much thicker and more absorbent, but a hotel robe or a hotel room towel will also do. Lay them out flat, and if they overlap, that's fine. Roll up the towel and then do a little jig or dance of your choice. Keep stepping on and rotating the towel until the towel is really wet. Then you know it's removed a lot of the water. We have found this a great way to remove excess water from our mostly quick dry clothing. We have used several methods for drying our clothes. We carry a small rechargeable fan and a small bag containing a bungee with carabiners on the end that we use as a clothesline, especially if we have a balcony. We also carry small clothespins. A luggage rack and a sunny window also makes a great drying rack. If you have any laundry tips or tricks, please add them to the comments below. We hope you found this helpful. Please like and subscribe and share this video with anyone who may find it useful. Thanks for watching.